Oh, you have to drive
Yeah,
it?
why would I drive if I have the gun? Get on the train and make sure
Trying to jump up.
Wait, so how do I make the train go forward? Okay, are you up? Pull the thing forward.
Oh,
we
she got Filipino shoulders in there.
Oh, dang.
I'm gonna
Those
stop
some
at
broad
this house
shoulders.
up here. Pull the stack.
Are
Why
you
is your
lady
outfit
boy?
so cute?
Oh, look at this torch.
Listen, pull the stack out. You can hold up to 10 items.
Okay,
We
here's
need to
my stack.
stuff for the fuel. Get that house.
Okay, where do we go? To the house?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
You're
Ransack
robbing
it.
them.
I thought you were gonna get the barbed wires, Nisa.
The heck is
there's a
that thing?
person. Zombie.
Oh, heck no.
Grab the body. Use a stack. Dad, you can hit them through the wall.
What? Oh, for real? Oh, dang, I just got hit through the wall. Eat.
Wait, I wanna come too. Don't run away, you're gonna die. Oh
I
my
am?
gosh, Dad.
You're about to die, Mike.
Oh, dang.
Get back on the train.
Alright, I'm going.
Yeah, we should have him drive instead.
Okay,
I know.
babe, you're gonna have to drive.
How do you drive the train? What if I don't know how to turn left or right?
Don't go on the train and drive it yet, because you're gonna, like, leave us.
Okay, leave it alone, Mike. You're gonna leave them.
Oh.
I
Alright,
said wait.
I'm gonna keep the shovel over here.
Okay, we got stuff for the thing. It's gonna be nighttime soon. Yeah, that means
And Dad's about to die.
Should I grab the
I have a
torch?
bunch of zombie bodies. They're supposed to be there, else we won't be able to see, and the chupacabras will come and kill us. Yeah,
Dang.
those are
I
scary.
didn't even know there's chupacabras here.
Okay.
Oh, cool. Look at that. Just throw everything.
What even is Don? These
Oh,
zombies
yeah,
ain't coming back
zombies.
to life?
Oh, fuel.
How'd you guys even pick these up? Can I practice picking them up?
Mike, you're supposed to drive.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Don't drive yet, don't drive yet,
Oh.
don't drive yet. You're just supposed to, we're gonna fuel the train. Why can I not pick up?
Oops. Who threw the
Can
zombie?
I try? Hold up, let me try.
I can't.
It says
grab the
R2.
zombies.
How do I grab them?
Why can't I grab that? Don't grab anything, Dad.
It says
I'll tell you when to grab something.
R2.
You're gonna die.
Why is all my stuff on the floor?
I fell out of the car.
Okay.
Oops, I dragged the zombie out here.
We need to put the zombies in. There's to put the zombies in the stone. Why is this thing having a hard time coming off the stupid train? We need to. Oh, are you okay? Okay. Alright. Our fuel should be good for a bit. Don't do anything because you're gonna die, so be careful. Press R2.
R2, ready? Here we go. Tell me when to stop.
Whenever you see a house, just press L2.
Or just let go.
Yeah. Okay. So when it's night, what is our fuel? Oh, we have enough fuel for
Right here?
through the night. Yeah, don't stop now. Just keep going.
Oh, should I keep talking to this person that hacked this thing?
No.
It says, I need your help, right?
No, Mom, you're gonna get.
They're gonna hack your account.
Look at this.
No.
How?
They just have smart ways of accessing your account.
Yeah, be careful if you look. Okay, don't go too fast. Like go like
50?
maybe like 40.
Oh, okay.
Preserve the fuel. I'll ship anyone that can the fuel. They will run after the train. And I have a light to make sure that you're not gonna you're here. Oh gosh, that scared me. Hello? Do you think we could knock down the cactuses behind us? Go fast, go fast, go fast! Go, oh my gosh, go fast! Okay.
That's scary. I don't like that.
Looks like a Bigfoot trying to face us with red eyes.
Can I still drive while looking backwards? Oh, yeah, I can.
Oh, we're about to be out of fuel soon.
So when we're gonna stop to look at the next house?
There's a house right there.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop. Oh my.
Okay, go.
You got that, Nerissa. You're supposed to help. Yeah.
I'm getting off the train to go help Narisa.
Babe, you're gonna die.
Good. No, she got that. Good. The chupacabra is on the train.
Where?
Nerissa, need your help.
Should I go?
He's right there, babe.
By my shovel.
No, Dad, he's gonna kill you.
So do I just stand still?
Yeah, and it takes Roblox to revive.
So I just don't do anything right now?
Go run away, babe. Go run away.
Okay. He's not doing nothing, so I'm good, yeah.
I got fuel. You need to go shoot him.
I'm just gonna stand still.
I don't know. Oh, wait for the daytime. Wait for the daytime.
Pretend that he's not there. Oh, it's daytime.
You got big thighs. How much can you squat?
He's gone.
That was scary.
We got it's daytime. Oh
Dang, why is the chupacabra so big?
We got fuel.
Like he worked out at Planet Fitness.
I think he goes to a private gym. One of my coworkers quit to go work at a luxury gym. Look at these $20. Oh, look at this person who needs to get an ID.
Let me see it again. So,
Dad likes my For You page. He thinks it's funny.
alright, you ready to go? Alright.
Yeah,
We be cracking up every time, like I've been going through TikTok or my Instagram. We be cracking up.
already. Wait, no.
We be cracking up and waking up police.
Nurse, that's too well to like block any entrances.
Who's that? Who's that on a train?
That's Mary.
No, that thing. Oh, is that a base or a mummy?
Ready? Here we go.
You guys have fuel?
Or maybe a store. I only have a bullet left. We need to find a store. What is that over there?
Where?
Slow down,
Are
Dad.
those horses or chickens? Do we have some as fuel?
Yeah. Oh, stop, Dad. They're gonna get a chicken. Oh, never mind. Oh, there's a store coming up.
There's a store coming up. I'm gonna stop by, okay?
Go fast.
Oh, it's burning, it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm slowing down.
Oh, there's a town. Just go to the town. Don't go to this. No, go to this. Go to this.
Stop, Dad. Stop.
I'm getting Oh, there's a bunch of songs.
Dang, they just be. Oh. There's zombies.
I just want to take a look.
They look like Lego people.
Oh, dang.
Oh my gosh. Let's watch them.
What's that big thing coming to you towards the house?
What?
Big dark thing coming.
No, there's not. Why?
Babe, I want to watch them. What are you doing?
So I want to go. I'll be the cameraman. Okay, for you, babe. I'm the cameraman.
Why are you off the train?
I'm just being the cameraman.
On the train.
Being the cameraman.
See? What are you wearing?
My Roblox?
What is your Roblox wearing? What is this? Maria, you look like a stripper.
Oh. Well, somebody...
Alright, tell me when you guys ready to go.
It's different in the other games, unless
Maria, it looks like a stripper. How are you gonna be in the Wild West like a stripper?
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
How come you're holding stuff like 5 feet away?
What are those? What are those bases?
You need to go to the town before the sun goes down.
Here we go.
Why are you glitching all over the place?
Heading towards town. Looks like
Ooh, there's stuff out there.
Yeah, there's too many zombies over there. Oh, there's not.
It is. Oh, you can use them for fuel. Oh, here they come. Oh my gosh, they're so fast.
Nursa, use your gun. My gun is out of fuel.
Oh my gosh, they're fast. Watch them, babe, so you know.
I get the shovel. Sauce of their heads.
Oh my gosh.
Someone.
I'll collect their bodies.
Oh, dang.
So there's a lot of, dang, there's more on that side too.
Okay, they're gonna go get him. Babe, stay on the train
Here,
before
let me
you
just
get
take
killed.
these things.
Babe, leave it.
No, I gotta put, we need fuel.
It's junk. That's not fuel.
Oh.
It says right there, junk.
What do I
Doesn't
need
say.
to take these for?
Oh, Mario about to die.
You guys get back to the train.
Nope, Mario dead.
You guys get back to the train.
Oh, no,
You guys' life is low.
Never mind.
I died. What the heck?
See?
Is that?
I told you
What
guys.
is that?
I told you the big thing was coming.
Hurry up, Nursa, leave Fiery. It's okay. Every man for
Bring that
himself.
zombie before we go.
No, I'm reviving.
What? Oh, she's spending 45 Robux for it. Fuck off.
Never mind. I will revive them. Oh my god.
Okay, just do what you like. Oh, why are you coming to me for?
Now we have to
Go.
Keep him in
Just die. Just die. You're not gonna make it without us.
Hold on, I can talk to you. Oh look, we're just staring at each other. Maybe he knows me.
Are you sausage?
Oh dang. Yeah, you got some big muscles over there.
Just get the thing and just sausage.
Oh my gosh, she's closer.
How come he's not hurting?
He is.
Get away,
Where's
babe.
his life?
Bar.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep going and use him as fuel. There he goes.
What the heck?
Ah!
I thought you killed it. I did too.
This guy, wait, it's
What?
fake.
He died?
Fake
We got
guy.
him. Oh, he's a werewolf, you guys.
Nurse, we can't revive.
Okay, you're getting killed. Who's behind you?
Oh no.
Oh,
What
zombie.
the fuck? Get off me, ugly. What the
It's
heck?
gonna kill him, watch.
I bet you killed
Come
the
on.
big old werewolf.
You didn't come back.
Oh my
and
gosh,
save
Mike.
us.
It's
Where are you
gonna-
guys at?
We're dead. Throw the corpse in the fuel. Pick
Okay.
it up. How much fuel does that give
you?
Pick it up. Pick it up and put it near the fire.
Let's just drag.
Yeah.
Oh.
Why did I get shot
I
out
think that
over
was just like, I think it was so big. Did it go in the thing? Dang, that was like no fuel. Yeah, you need to come back.
Can I put this stuff in there?
No.
Okay.
Oh, we're dead. Now we have to restart.
Okay, let's restart.
What the
Respawn.
heck? We can't even. Where did Mary go? Huh? Oh, wait. No, I'm turning back. Don't go. I'm over here dragging this dead zombie around because I'm on the floor bed.
What's happening?
Don't self-revive. Just.
Oh, Daddy
Wait.
self-revived.
Click
I
respawn.
don't know what's going on, babe.
Okay. Anyways, join me, guys.
This is scary. I don't like this.
I'll change my outfit actually because apparently I look like a stripper.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mary left this experience.
At least we know how to kill those things. You gotta go on a train and kill it.
Oh, here's
And do
Bella's
whatever.
village.
Yeah,
Ooh. Oh, wow. It's on a hill.
yeah. That's how it looks like if you're going to
Is
his.
that his parents' house? Wait, whose video is this?
No, it's a tow truck.
Oh.
But look at. Wouldn't that be annoying living on a hill like that?
Man. Why is it like this?
Uh-oh, it's not loading.
Oh, because I left the experience.
Oh, what the heck? How come I'm not friends with Nerissa?
I don't know.
That's messed up. Add her. Add her.
I
Add
don't know how to
friends.
find you.
So you add friends. How is that when you guys play Roblox all the time? Okay, I'm tired of watching this video game.
Give us a chance. I don't know the last time you put it on.
Mary, can you hurry up so I can play? Oh, yeah, sorry. I got distracted. Customizing my character.
What is this right
Yeah,
here? You should hide. Can we play short horror games?
No, I don't like. I want to play the train game. We could play it after.
How about survive 100 days on a desert island?
You want to try? Let's try it.
Yeah.
What? I'll join you. But I don't have your security.
It's right there. Alopada underscore.
I looked at them. Yes. Oh, why are we not your friends? Did you unfriend me?
No.
Okay, well, this is your friend request.
Okay, hold on. Let me get out of here.
I'm being fashionable in Roblox. No, go back. Go to, you can't see your friend request?
Where'd I go? 3 dots?
No. Search.
Oh, search.
Do N M A L. What are we playing?
Trying to find your stuff. I thought I was friends with her. So weird.
For 2. And people. Go to the people. There's me.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Are we friends?
Except friend.
What the heck? What happened?
I don't know. I think it glitched or something.
Okay, so now we're friends. Now I can go back to home. Alright. I don't even know what that game is now. Oh, right here. Dang, I just ran that lady over.
I'm sure.
Alright, where do I go?
Wait, don't go into it yet. Wait for me. I'm here. Dang, why is it so big? I don't really look Samoan.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Are you jumping?
Oh.
Oh, there you go, man. Dang, what in the world?
Why are you so big? I don't know.
Why did you make your character tall, like my height?
Oh, I didn't. All our characters are like the same height.
Oh, okay, where do I go?
I was playing the my life. But
Are we gonna go on these blocks?
yes,
Which one?
we have to wait for this 4 person.
Oh,
Or
4
actually, come over here.
to 5?
Let's go down here. Come down here, all the way down. Look, these stupid people keep trying to come over here. I don't want to play with you.
Oh.
Here, come in this.
Damn, it's not letting me. Oh, there it is. I am.
This is fine. I just did 4, just in case that people drop out of something.
Are you wearing a polo tassi?
Yeah. But I'm big, so it's like a shirt pants combined.
Is anyone there? It isn't safe. You aren't alone on this island. You need to survive as long as you can, but it isn't going to be easy.
What are we doing now?
Help is on the way.
Oh man, there's weapons. Maybe we should get some.
I got a banjo.
What kind of weapons do we
I
need?
got a gun.
Is a gun better? Like what kind?
Look, you have health and gun and stuff.
I don't
What do I
understand.
do with this? I don't know, you just start collecting stuff. Oh. Oh! Oh my god! The pirate!
Oh, I like your ship.
Dad! Dad!
Oh dang, I need a weapon.
You have to get sliced up.
What is a weapon?
Oh no, there's a
Come on,
pirate.
come
He's
on.
gonna get you, babe. He's gonna get you.
That. You can't even get me because I'm using my football skills on him.
We need to get
Should I just buy this bazooka right here and
No.
blow everything up?
No, it's water now. You're gonna drown.
Oh, how did you guys get
How
up
did you
there?
get up there?
Oh, you're about to die.
What the heck is this game? I don't like this game. Yeah.
Well, don't spend any money yet. You gotta try to
I got
climb up
water
this
in there so fast.
coconut tree right here.
Oh, look, there's a house over here. I want another gun.
There you go, babe. Oh, nice.
Hey, this
That's
so
a big coconut.
Oh, what the heck? Get away.
Babe, they're over here like fighting for their lives.
No, I'm trying to like save my life. Hey guys, this is where I am. Coconut tree.
Do you see your dad? You guys?
What the heck, Dad? You wanted to play this game and now you're off.
I know, but man, saw that water coming up like that and the pirates. Damn, look at my haircut. Alright, let's go back down. Since I know you can climb trees, let's go look over here.
What the heck? Are you still recording?
I really wanted to go on top of the other.
There's a tornado coming over here.
This
What?
is food. Oh dang.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Oh dang. Look at this.
Dad, there's literally
Can I-
guns everywhere. I don't know why you don't get the
Look at I can eat.
Beans.
Dad,
Eat
there's
some
a
beans.
tornado.
That looks like a fetus.
Look at that. I'm eating beans.
That's a bean, I think.
Then they got
But
beans.
it looks like a
Oh,
baby.
that's what I needed.
There you
I don't know
go.
what shape
Katana.
Shoot, shoot,
we
shoot,
could
shoot,
just
shoot,
survive.
shoot.
The katana. What's that? More food? Ooh, what's that?
Oh dang, that's a gun.
Yeah, Nurse said there's so many guns and you're okay. Now you just used up all your bullets.
What? I did?
Yes.
Oh dang.
What? I'm
Why are
shooting
you just
them.
shooting?
Okay, let's see if we can find more stuff.
Look for a supply drop.
Oh, that's just wasting bullets over
Oh
here.
my gosh.
It's okay. I'm gonna find more stuff around here.
What I like to buy Sprint. This game is buns.
You need to
There's
find.
3 pirates.
Oh, behind you,
chasing
babe.
me.
Behind you. Behind you.
I know. I'm trying to like turn around without.
This child is not.
Oh, now you got more. Now you need to climb the coconut tree before you get sliced up.
I just got killed by like 6 pirates.
What? That didn't hurt them.
Where are you at?
Because you're out of bullets, probably, because you keep shooting nothing.
Hold on. I'm Trying to get some leverage over here.
Where
Wait,
you
I'm
at?
about to
Getting
die.
chased by 2 pirates.
And he wasted all his
I think the
bullets.
best thing to do is
Now
climb
it's 4 pirates.
a coconut tree. They're just coming out of nowhere.
Oh my gosh.
Why do I have a cannon? The katana. Should
You
I?
need a drink. Look, your drink is almost finished.
I'm dead.
Oh
Oh,
snap!
now you're dead.
I'm dead as a child.
Oh, I'm dead.
Okay, so can we play the train game?
Yeah.
You're not good at this game.
I don't know why we wanted to play this
Who said
game.
to play this game? It's so sucky.
You said
Babe, you're so bad at
your
this.
idea.
No man.
You're
I'm
so bad.
Wait, we don't have to play that one. Look at this other one. We can play like that horse.
Okay, this game is not letting me
You
do
guys not want to
anything.
play the
Period.
train game? We could play the train game. I was kind of scared.
Oh, that's scary. That scared
We
me.
How
can't
come you
even
guys
make
don't
it
play,
past 4,000 miles or kilometers. We can. We just have to try harder.
What's another one? Dead Real. That's what you guys were playing.
Do they have like a what's that game called where people in pink masks?
Squid Games?
Yeah, do they have a games like that?
Yeah, but I don't want to play Squid Games.
Okay.
Squid Games is so last month.
Oops. Yeah, why are you Peppa Pig like that? Peppa Pig's mom is pregnant.
I seen that.
100 days in prison.
Dad, are you gonna join?
Oh yeah, my bad.
Why are you?
Baby Peppa sings.
Sorry.
Oops. You got no money now. How come you had $20 and now you got no money?
I did.
Oh.
Because he has to buy bonds. See, I'm not a stripper anymore now. I'm gonna buy bonds.
That's
Now
good,
I'm
Mom.
Wild Wild West.
That's
My
good.
goggles.
I don't know about that top. That looks like a stripper top too.
Mom! Not
It's like ripped
everything
up
is a
lace. It's
stripper
like
top.
emo. It's emo stripper.
I'm dead as a child. And the child is see, but the finna is gag. Since I'm dead as a child.
Dad, what are you
Oh
doing?
my gosh.
Everybody's outfits.
Okay,
Yeah,
there's
I
some
love
words.
cats. Oh, that's funny.
There's some words.
Where's is Mason playing too?
No,
Oh.
I'm dead as a child. Okay, well, I asked you if you wanted to get on. I'm coming over there. Dad, are you?
Where's
You gotta
Narissa?
get in the square, Dad. Tell the child to join.
I'm not going in.
I don't know. I'm exiting it. Are you gonna join the Roblox?
Okay, I just joined in.
You're not joining. Not yet. Okay, not yet. Just wait for it to expire, Dad. Mason's gonna play with us.
Oh, good. Then Daddy could drive the train.
I'll be the driver.
Yeah.
And I'll kill the wolf too, because it's easy to kill. Since I killed one, and you guys don't have experience in
You
that.
got killed by a zombie.
I know. These guys don't have experience killing one of those wolves. I do.
He just by accident because he couldn't even get to you from there.
Bonds? I can buy bonds?
Yeah.
What's that for?
Yeah, what?
Like every single time? Or just
Fun.
one time?
Oh, I
Only
have to
lasts
use
for one
robots?
life. That's not worth it. I'm not spending my money.
Okay, then I'm not playing.
Okay.
So what do we do? What is the best thing for me to do as a beginner?
Come over here.
Do I
Come
buy
over
anything?
here and wait to get into the square.
Once Howdy.
You understand the game, you buy stuff. I mean, you kind of do, but...
Is there a game in here like Red Dead Redemption?
No, there's no like open world. Hey, Pulatasi on the Wild Wild West train.
Oh, Risa.
She's wearing Pulatasi, see it?
That's so cute.
Turn
Did you
around,
like
Reese.
that?
No.
Why did you?
But Nea wants to sell her
Why are
own
you gonna
Pulatasi
take it
merch.
on me?
I'm supposed to make some for her to sell so she can have her own Roblox.
Where's Mason?
I wasn't making fun of you. I said, "Hey, Pulatasi in the Wild Wild West."
Mary's
I
thing is.
accidentally went into the square. I don't want to be in the square. Well, now you're in charge of it. Are you gonna join? Oh, see, now you're stuck in the square. Oh, okay. Then I guess we'll play a round. Okay, I'm coming,
How come you
guys.
can't go in there?
Dad, why are you in? What is happening?
I was trying to get out, but and then,
Well,
hold on.
Okay, guys, join mine. You have 10 seconds.
Tell me, how do I run fast?
Who's making the party? I am. I made it right here. Okay, Dad, you need to hurry up. There's 16
coming.
seconds.
I'm gonna make it.
What? Not that.
Where's Mason? You see the black guy?
No, he's not the black guy.
Who's that? He's playing.
He's setting it up on his computer. Yes, Mason is cool. Dad 109.
I don't know. He's just right there. My bad. Sorry.
Oh, I'm going to the doctor.
What is this vintage spam starter you
Drag
hear?
gold bar to the table.
Nexa, what is this?
What you buying, babe?
Nexa,
What's that?
what is this?
You think I can save their lives if they get hurt with this?
Oh, yeah. Get it, babe.
No, but what
Right,
is
good
it?
idea,
How
huh?
do I-
Good job.
Oh, I can collect it. Only you can collect it.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Good
What
job.
in the world?
Now you
How am I
gotta
not
carry
grabbing? How?
I got both.
Seth.
That way, I can't collect
How do I?
it.
Oh,
You gotta
okay.
drag it. And
I got
what's that?
snake oil just in case. I'm gonna get a gun because I was good at aiming.
How does Dad pick up his saving bandages?
Go over the bandage. It's a triangle.
There you go, babe.
Oh,
See,
you
he's gonna
gave
save your
bandages?
life with that. Yeah, when you
Okay,
guys get
I'll
attacked
work
by
on
the
it.
chupacabra.
Look, I bought more bullets.
What's
than
that?
over here.
There you go. Good job, Dad.
Wacko. Stop telling people that. I'll buy this. I'll buy the torch.
Let's go.
No, it's false.
Did you get it? Where is it?
I think
I
so.
bought the torch. Yes.
Okay.
Why is it doing that? That's false information.
Oh, you don't need to sell anything.
See, they don't believe you.
What's that? Ooh, it's a gun.
Should I get? What's a good gun to use on these things?
I have a gun.
Is a shotgun good too? How can we see the powerful? Which gun is
Ooh.
powerful?
Usually, whichever one's more expensive.
What's
Why
that?
can't I pick
Oh,
up
oh,
one
you can have that on the train.
Oh dang, real.
It's an automatic.
Ooh,
How much is that?
$100.
How much does it say?
I can't read.
100. We end up coming back here somehow.
Dang, it's not letting me even purchase this.
Because you don't have you have $0.
They give
Dad.
$0.
Then isn't it go? Okay, let's go.
So you didn't even buy those other things either. You just bought the thing.
How do I see what's in my sack? How do I see what's in my sack? How do I
It's
empty
not
this?
letting me pick up this coal.
Oh, it says right
I
here.
got you.
Right there, I got those first aid kits right there.
Dad got
Put them back
bandages.
in your sack.
Okay.
Put them back in your sack.
Oh, I'll put that one in there.
That's
Okay.
it. That's to wrap
I'll
up
drive.
your
Mario's
boo-boos.
gonna drive.
Okay.
You can help me collect stuff.
All right, I'm excited. Yeah, yeah. Oh, snap.
Jump.
Oh my
You'll
gosh.
just go and then you're gonna just be over there. Look, I have 48 rounds.
Oh, dang.
We only get enough time to stop by one house before it gets nighttime.
Do we need another one of these torches? Because that chupacabra was on top here.
Oh, there you go. There's a house bed. Oh, dang. Oh my gosh, kill him.
That's one.
Damn. Oh, he's on top of your head, baby. He's gonna kill you. Oh, he just jumped off.
Right there, he's
Go
dead.
get him.
Okay, now put him
Get
in
him.
the thing. The time is 2 p.m. We have like 4 minutes until sunset.
Good job, babe.
Next.
No, never mind. We have like 10 seconds. No. A minute. Collect it.
Grab him. Grab him. Grab him, babe. Okay.
Look, he's crawling to my.
Stop that.
He's crawling to you. He's coming. Oh, where did he
There's
go?
on his dead body.
Right there, he's coming to
Put
you.
him
Right,
in
turn
the
around,
thing.
look.
Why is it dancing? Put it in the fire. Okay, there wasn't enough fuel.
That's it?
We're less than halfway with fuel, and it's 4 p.m., so the sun's gonna go down soon. Here.
Okay, I'll
Oh,
put
yeah.
the chair.
Put the dead bodies in the chair. Wait, we need that thing, whatever, just go up. Do not move it yet.
Tell me when the fuel goes up.
Wait. There.
One more zombie.
Wait.
There we go.
Does blowing the train horn do anything? Okay, can I go now?
No,
No.
Marissa's not here.
Okay, there's
Go ahead.
Okay, Dad, do you want to drive the train because you
Yeah.
can control the speed better? Oh, I fell off. Wait. Okay.
Here we go.
Did you make sure you stored the bandages?
Yeah, I have it in my sack. Okay, here we go. Tell me how fast you guys want me to
just
go. 40?
for now.
Wait, you don't even have no fuel. Can you watch
How
for
do I-
houses?
How do I look at the
I'm
fuel?
looking at the fuel right now. Yeah, we're doing okay on fuel. It's 7 p.m. The sun's
If
gonna
I
go
see
down
an animal
right now.
running after us, I'm gonna shoot it.
Am I stopping by this house or the village? There's a bunch of animals back there. See them?
Where?
Right there. Look. See your-
I wouldn't. It's 8 p.m. The
Should we
sun's
stop at
going
this house?
down.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, go. You guys think?
You got that, Marissa.
What?
Okay, I want to go.
Yeah, you gotta go get the bodies.
Okay. It's 8 p.m.
The house disappeared.
Dad, you're on the wrong side.
There's only one zombie.
It's 9 p.m.
There's a bunch of animals over there. See them?
Wait, you're gonna get a werewolf.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Where's the animal?
They're all down there. See,
It's
there's
too
like 4
far.
of them. Marissa,
Those
don't.
are wolves and they're gonna come over here. So
That's what I'm saying. Just leave it. Let's go.
No, you was trying to go over there.
It's almost 10 p.m.
All right. Am I driving again?
Hold on.
Oh, dang. Okay, you ready to go? Because,
Wait,
dang,
not yet.
the red moon is out.
Okay, no, you gotta go. Oh my gosh. The red moon
Tell me
is
when
out.
it's faster.
What's the red moon?
Not too fast.
I'm
Yeah,
just sticking
keep it
by
at
40.
Martin, are you like watching to make sure that there's no werewolf?
Yeah. I'm watching the time and the fuel and then the outside of the plane.
I don't see any other houses. Should we just keep driving till daylight and then make stops?
Yeah.
I think that's a better idea.
Our fuel tank. It's only 11. Dad, your character looks so scary driving.
Wait, I might have something in here.
Oh.
Fuel. Stop over there.
I think
Never
there
mind.
was a
No,
zombie.
keep going.
Someone
Don't
was
stop,
like
stop, stop.
ran over
Oh
something.
my gosh.
Oh, we did. Let me collect it. Stop. Let me collect it.
Well, what's that?
Like a zombie.
It was a person.
There's a big dark thing getting closer.
Person.
Bring him in. Use it for fuel.
Come here.
The fuel tank.
Can you take his clothes?
Oh, we just killed someone.
Oh, that's so neat.
Hold on. I have more stuff to unexplore.
Oh, there's a person.
Should we stop for him?
He looks like a serial
Should we
killer.
stop for
No,
that
do not
person?
stop
I think
for
it's a
him. Go.
ghost.
Okay.
He looks like Michael Myers.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
He hopped in.
That scared
What's
me.
that?
It came out of nowhere.
He jumped up from the sky. Where'd he go? Did you guys throw him in the fire?
No.
I'm never gonna make any noise ever again.
It was hilarious. Is Marissa just like picking him up?
I don't know. Sun's coming up
I
though.
think they're vampires.
Oh, that's what they are. Vampires.
Oh, we left the vampire body.
Why is the vase just moving around?
Oh, that's me. I don't know where to put it.
How does that fuel look? Good.
Uh,
Stop at this house?
No, there's something running.
Go! Go fast. Oh my gosh.
Morning. Gotta be it. And
Okay,
I
there you
have more
go.
stuff to
Huh?
Sorry. Hold on. I have another thing to unpack.
You want me to stop?
Yes, stop
I
over
will.
Oh, where'd that zombie come from?
For a few. Okay, nice.
There's a town up there. I don't think we should stop in the town after what happened last time.
Yeah, that was a little traumatizing.
Just drive past the town.
Do we run faster than
Oh.
zombies or no?
We have no choice but to go to the town.
Oh,
We're out of fuel.
okay.
Are you serious?
Yep, as if it's on empty.
Yeah, the train's dead.
Maya, there's nothing in that sack.
The train's dead, you guys. That means we have no choice but to go over there.
Well, good. Then all three of you guys.
Come on.
Get your shovel out, please. What's in your sack? All the bandages.
I want a better weapon than a shovel.
Okay, we have
I'm gonna
load
try
up
to
one at a
avoid
time.
these zombies. I'm gonna try to go where they can't see me.
If they can see you, they're fast.
Can you do something with that rock or no?
Dang, I can't even avoid them.
What if a werewolf comes and we die?
Oh, dang, the girls are already there.
Wait. I feel like
Take them
one
back
of
to
us
put them
should
in
have stayed
fuel.
on the train for the
Wait, to your
time.
right, to your right. They're right there.
Try not to like
Do
disturb
one
them.
at a time, because they'll run fast.
Why are
Try to
you
go
going out in
slow.
the open?
Slow.
You are.
If they see me, they're gonna creep after me.
Ah!
You dropped the
Hit
bank.
it, hit it, hit it.
The
Why
bank?
are you hitting it?
I know.
Guys, this zombie just dropped the
Take
bank
one.
combo.
Take one.
What
Where's
is
the
the
bank?
bank? What is it?
It's for money at the bank.
Okay, get it.
I have it, but where's the bank?
In here.
Right here.
Oh,
What is it?
There's a combination here.
okay. Oh, it's 15515.
Okay, hold on.
15515. That's 2-1. 155.
How do you go back?
Just don't. Just get away from it.
What is it?
15515.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, 15515.
We got chairs.
Yeah, put those in your sack.
What
Is it
is
going?
It's not working.
It's literally 15515. Do
Or
you want to see it? It's right there. Or maybe it's 21221. No, it's definitely 155. Why did you just put 5 ones?
I don't know.
What do you mean it's not working? You didn't put
Get
those.
out of there,
my
make the
sack is
zombies.
heavy. Okay, I'm going back to the train. I'm gonna feel the train and move it closer. What time is it? Because it's gonna get dark. Y'all gonna.
I got a sword. What the heck is killing me?
Please don't die. If your life is low, just come back to
Oh
the
my
train.
gosh, I got into the bank.
I got a gold bar
I got a gold bar
and
too.
a coal.
Oh my gosh. I have so many bars. I'm rich.
She's so rich.
Bring it over here so we can share.
Unload.
I'm a baller. Okay, I'm going back
Oh,
to
you
the
got a
train.
painting too? Wow, babe. Good job.
Oh, let me throw this stuff in there.
Guys, I have so much money. Guys, we're rich.
I don't know where the train is. So
So
That's
where are
putting
you?
fuel in it right
You're
now.
going the right way.
I'm gonna die.
They have her bandage.
Here, I'm
Where's
coming with
Epsi?
bandages.
Just keep running.
It's not even going in
I
there.
have a lot of random stuff. I have this zombie.
There's zombies after them. Stop
Hey, you
what
guys
you're
ready?
doing. No,
Guys
they're
ready?
getting
The zombie
killed.
just did a flip.
Wait.
Oh no, I gotta get this chair in there real quick. Are you
It's
guys
okay,
ready?
I killed
I'm
No,
gonna.
no,
No, they're still down there.
You guys need
There's
bandages?
too many people talking right now.
We're trying to collect all this stuff.
Hold on, let me get the bandages out. Who needs them?
Take it out.
Who needs bandages?
Nerissa!
Oh, sorry. There you go.
So you're yelling.
One for you.
Because she just told you she's dying, and you're over here like,
Okay.
oh, I'm gonna go. And then they're still down there getting killed.
Wait, don't leave yet. I still have stuff.
Okay,
I
let me
can
get
take
this out of the way.
photos.
Oh,
There. You guys wanna do a photo?
wait.
There.
Just wait. Oh, you can weld it to the train.
Did our fuel go up? Oh, it did.
Yes, because I'm putting.
6 p.m. Oh,
Someone put this
Okay.
zombie in there.
sunset's about to happen.
Sunset goes down at 10. Someone
Okay.
put that zombie
Okay, Mike.
in the thing.
He said put the zombie
My
in.
bad. Alright, hold on.
Okay, wait. I have stuff.
Hmm.
Ready? Don't take my gold bar though, because I'm gonna be mad. I got a gold.
Okay, well, I have 3 gold bars and 2 silvers.
Okay, well.
I don't want your gold bar.
Sorry, I was just saying.
Mike, put the stupid zombie in there. Jeez.
Oh, we're
Guys,
not,
we're so
it's
full
too
on fuel.
It's too full.
Okay, save our. We need that for saving.
Put it back in the sack.
Alright, tell me when you guys ready to go. We don't need to stop at the town. We got what we
We
need.
could probably try again. Stop closer. That way we're not running over.
Okay.
Taking a photo.
Remember, don't go all. Don't cause any attraction, you guys. Just stay within our.
Stop.
Wait, I need to find. Make
Okay.
sure I have a.
They were gonna still go to the town. Why are you
Okay,
driving
No,
past?
no,
Go fast. Just go, 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 go.
those zombies.
They got the bank in there.
Okay, now you're going too fast. Slow down.
No, look at your gas is already going away.
Okay, I'll slow down.
Keep it at like 30 while
30?
the daytime. Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need that.
And the tapping goes tap.
Okay, never mind. Go 40.
Don't keep it at 30. Something fun for those.
Big building up ahead, like a warehouse-sized building. You guys want to stop in
I
there?
probably shouldn't have done that. Sorry, guys.
You guys want a warehouse? Stop at the warehouse building? Yeah, we're getting close to it. Oh, it's like a castle, a prison.
I think we should go.
Wait, I think that's the start.
It is a start. We made it.
And I have so much money.
We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it.
Okay, rest time, huh?
Yes. We made it to another thing.
Dang,
No, this
let me
is
go
the
sell
beginning.
stuff.
There's things out there taking.
I want to go and sell some.
There's
This camera that I got.
turrets up above.
We could go collect the bodies and use it for the food.
Oh, the turrets are killing stuff that come in here.
For what?
Oh, we need ammo for them then. Oh my gosh.
No?
Yeah, they're shooting at the things and the ammo's going down.
Look at all these fuel. It's fine.
Yeah, there's a dead body over here. The
That's
turrets
why
are
we just need
killing
to be
stuff.
fast.
A what? What are you saying?
The turrets?
What's that?
The automatic guns?
Oh.
Where's the trading post?
I just took a picture of myself.
Dad, we need to,
Why are you taking pictures? We need to loot the temple.
yeah, can we get all the fuel and put it in the train?
Yeah.
All these bodies. Is there a trading post anywhere?
Yeah, I'm getting my money in there
Where's
right
it
now.
at?
Where's
Yeah, get
that?
all these bodies.
Oh, there's
store
gold bars.
them.
There's to keep these bodies in your sack.
Ryan, can we get a gun?
Yeah, once I
Okay.
Grab those, babe.
figure out
That's a
how to
lot.
get
Grab
these
'em.
gold bars. It's not letting me pick it up.
That's a freaking silver.
Where are the other bodies at?
We need to collect them.
Where are the other zombie bodies?
Wait. Yes. No. 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 Oh.
Right there.
Next to help. I still have more. Oh, wait, never mind.
I have $60. I need more gun ammo.
Hold on, guys.
Oh, sun's up.
Okay, I have $150.
Whoa, look at this.
See, the turrets were killing stuff.
Hey,
Maybe
we
there's
made it.
dead
We
bodies
made it.
out there.
I can't take this with me.
Hey, get away from there. Or you get shot. Oh,
What
there's
is
a
one of
body
them?
back there.
You should go collect the dead bodies out there, Dad.
Oh, that's what Nurse said 5 of these times that your dad's just wandering around like a lost child.
We need the fuel.
He's like, oh, look, out there, the lion.
What gun do I want? Oh, wait, you guys wanted a turret?
Yeah.
Is
Put it
Mason
on the train.
gonna join us or?
That way we should.
Am I gonna spend all my money on this turret?
Yeah.
There's any more
That's
zombies?
Yeah, I'm like
$150.
car
That's
sick
all
watching
my
them.
paycheck.
I got a headache.
Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm gonna stop moving around so you won't get a headache. Man. Alright, bug.
I have a bunch of stuff in my sack that.
Okay, here. Right here.
Let me, we can't really weld the bodies to the thing.
Okay,
Or
no,
no,
just
what
keep them
happened
in
to
the
my
sack.
No, you can.
Wait, my emo.
You can weld this stuff to the train. That way it don't move. Oh my
Hold on.
gosh. Okay.
Hold on.
This is the stuff that.
My turret.
Let's put it in the sack. Did you get ammo for it?
Yes, I bought ammo.
I'm ready to drive when you guys
Wait,
are.
don't drive yet. We're just trying to like figure this out right now.
You guys want to do a picture real quick?
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
We don't need this. Yeah. Don't do not move yet. I'm gonna put the base.
Sorry, I'm
Everybody get in my
looking at the
picture.
skin on the thing.
Hello, everybody look over here at me. Oh, there it goes.
Guys, the turret is. Ah! No, I don't want to shoot it. Wait,
it
who wants
working?
to be the shooter?
Not me.
Well, I'm the driver. I mean, I can shoot if you guys want.
Are you good at shooting?
Of course.
Okay, then you stay there. I'll drive.
But don't shoot anything unless you really need to.
Okay. You guys just tell me when to shoot.
Are
Just,
we ready to go?
Yeah.
when
I
you
have a
to go
sword.
40, you just gotta tap, 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 tap. Okay.
Oh.
There. You're going too much, Mary. Tap, 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 tap. Yeah.
I'm not going forward at all doing that.
Oh, I forgot you're on the touch screen.
Oh, I jumped off! I jumped off! Wait! Stop!
It's okay. I got you covered. See, look at that. This is the whole reason why we got this gun. Anything
Oh,
run after you?
Okay, are you back on? Can you not jump off anymore?
I was on accident.
Thank
I
you.
thought that plant was something. Look at that has a tattoo. Look at that tattoo. That looks like a leg tattoo. Dang, why do you have like defined back muscles?
I drew those in.
Oh, you drew those right?
Yeah, I made this whole skin. I drew all that.
What the heck?
And that's Photoshop, the necklace. I took that off Google
You did
Photos.
nipples, too?
Yeah, why not?
If your skin
Man.
nipples.
Made it look real. That's why people buying it. That's why I got 2,700.
Shoot it, Dad!
It's not even. I'm not wasting
Shoot it.
bullets. If you want to slow down, I can shoot it.
Slow down.
Okay, so I don't want to waste bullets. Then.
It's not gonna do anything. Did you see how much fuel that thing gave us? Nothing.
We need the
Oh.
torch just fell off.
Uh-oh.
Go grab it.
Still coming too.
Grab it.
I hate you.
He's coming and getting closer.
Watch out, Reese.
Okay.
Dang, and there's wolves too, Reese.
Oh my gosh, forget the torch. Forget the torch. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Oh my
Go,
god.
go, Mary, go, Mary, go. Ooh, we got a kid. Should we get him?
Grab the dead body.
Yeah, we got him.
Never
No,
mind.
because there's wolves back there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of
Grab
wolves.
the body.
I got a gun.
There's a wolf over there.
I got a gun.
Oh, see, the wolves are coming.
Wasted our
Spot
bullets
one
are
bullet
full.
to the wolf.
How much
Oh, look at
turret
the house.
ammo do we have left?
A house.
I'm not sure. Oh, 56.
Stay there and make sure the wolves don't come.
56? Okay.
Oh, there's a zombie.
Don't worry, I got him from right over here. Ready?
Look, he's right on top of the Mary.
What do you mean he's on top of me? The zombie. He's on the roof.
Look behind you, Mike.
Should we refuel? There's a bunch of
You're gonna
wolves.
kill yourself.
Yeah.
The heck?
It's not moving. Look,
Then
that's
get
not-
off the gun so you can go see that Mine has a zombie on him.
Look at I'm killing these wolves.
Look, he's right there.
Oh, oh.
Okay, now put him in the thing for fuel.
Look at I killed. Can someone collect?
Mike,
these
put him
wolves?
in
Where
the
is
thing.
he? Oh, he's stuck in the ground.
Oh, yeah, I'll collect the wolves.
Oh, he's stuck. Oh, there he is.
Stupid wolves.
Let's get him right there.
Oh my gosh, there's like 20 billion, 100,000 zombies
Why
in
am
here.
I'm gonna unsort. Oh my gosh, this stupid thing.
Oh,
Oh dang, that's nighttime fast.
Okay, someone, are you gonna drive or you want me to
wait,
drive?
hold on.
Mine's grabbing stuff. Okay.
I'm getting. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
There's so many zombies in here.
We just don't have a light anymore.
Because someone dropped the torch.
Sorry, it was
Okay.
an accident.
I'm grabbing the gun and
Oh
the
my
wolf
gosh.
at the same time, which is so dumb. Who's that in front of me? Oh, that's me.
Oh my gosh,
I'm gonna
Mike.
drive this. Give it.
I can't watch you because you're irritating me.
Guys,
Sorry.
there's still so much fuel in here.
Okay, then
I'm
grab
gonna
it.
put this on.
I don't have any room.
Yeah, grab it. Grab it. I only have 5.
Grace, can you put that on the charger? Come on.
I hear a noise.
I also hear a noise and I'm
Give me
scared.
the torch.
Oh wait, I'm the driver.
Oh, dang. Frick.
Get up, there's are you in the thing?
No! Dad, you're shooting at nothing.
No, what do you mean? He's standing on my head. I'm dead.
Telling you.
Actually, I'm not dead.
Revive. You have 20,000 more bucks. Revive.
How do I do that?
Stop revive.
No, I'll revive you.
There is it. There it is.
Revive with a bandage.
Oh, okay. Where's my sack at? Oh, right there. Someone's giving me medicine.
So that's snake oil.
It's gonna make me die.
Oh, I
even
found
though.
another one! There's like 3.
Just drive. Just drive. Just drive. Do not slow down.
Dad can revive.
I can revive. Yeah.
Did you revive?
It's like
Okay, but you're dying. Why are you like?
I killed this guy.
Okay, but why are you like jump?
We can revive it with a bandage.
Well, do you have a bandage?
But why are you going around and
Yeah.
around like you jump?
I think.
Wait,
I killed them.
Okay, now about
why
that.
would you? Oh, you're dead.
I'm still on the gun.
You're gonna have. Stop! You're leaving me.
Stop me!
I'm stopping!
We're stuck. We're dead. We're dead. dead. We're dead.
I can't even move.
Stop
I'm already
down,
dead.
I'm
They're
dead.
coming after you, Mari.
I died.
Your dad's dead?
Yeah, look,
Okay,
my eyeball's missing.
We're ready for you to join
One of
us.
them is.
We all died.
Revive with
We're
bandage.
dead. We're
Okay.
dead. We have to respawn.
Yeah, look at you.
Mason's gonna join us now.
This is what
Okay.
happens when you leave the
Okay.
thing.
Wait, let me grab
Oh,
my
I'm dead on the
charger.
gun. Look, I'm still dancing.
Everyone died.
And the
Hey,
child
that's
is
cool. Look how far you guys got.
Dang, that's the longest we've ever gone.
15,000 miles.
Okay, we're waiting for Mason because he's joining.
What's the highest miles that anybody's ever gone?
I don't know.
This is really frustrating watching your dad. Just letting you guys know, because you have your own people, and I have to sit here and watch dad just like skip around town and bebop all over and pick the place without doing what he's supposed to do. So like, there's like, come grab these dead bodies, and your dad's like, oh, what's this? Oh, look at that, that's cool. What am I gonna get?
I feel bad, like, if I want to call out, but I feel like,
Are you calling out at work?
like, I'm not mentally okay. And I feel like this
We're supposed to help you, Reese. Like, just go to work.
Right.
You know what I mean? Go over
And
there.
I have to go see those guys that, like, are weirdly...
And that's fine. It's gonna.
It's a Chinese guy in a...
I went to work after my breakup and it turned out great.
Okay, you think I want to go see the Chinese and Cambodians? They're both friends, too, and they both talk too much.
Yeah, then they can just do all your work for you.
No, because one of them's skinny and the other one
Okay.
just, like,
Are you guys in the game?
just talks more than he works.
I see you guys.
This guy ain't got no cowboy hat.
Dad, you should buy bonds. Here, come over here. Come to the bank. It's worth it, I'm to be honest.
What does the bonds do?
It it basically lets you buy, like, Dad, turn around other way. In that red place where I'm at.
Thanks.
You could just buy, like, it gives you free money. It's
Oh,
not free.
nice. Oh, and you can buy a gun, babe.
Yeah, it gives us starter stuff. So
There you go. Go buy a.
So which one of these do I buy?
You could buy any of them.
There you go.
Oh my gosh,
Those.
all of this is so
Yes.
good. 2 bonds? 119.
That's how much bonds you want me to buy?
That's a
Yeah.
lot. You know how much that stuff is? Like 2 bonds, 5 bonds.
Yeah,
How much?
there you go.
Should I
You
buy
need-
this one
You
or
should
the other
get 2 torches, so then you guys don't go in the dark and get eaten by
one? Am
werewolves.
I buying 50 bonds?
Yeah, do it.
It's up to you if you want to spend the Robux.
Yes, buy it. If you're over here, you don't even have to do no work for your Robux.
Now
Oh,
you
you're
can buy a
There.
turret for our first thing.
There you
Okay,
go.
where am I going?
Follow
Oh wait,
Nursa.
no, you can buy a gun.
Where are you at, Nisa?
She's in the gun store.
Wait, come over to general.
So I got 50 bonds, so tell me where you want me to buy.
What is this? I don't know. What
Ooh, those are
Tell me what to buy, and then I should buy this armor and then give it to you, yeah?
No, I don't.
Since you're the one that's.
If I were you, I'd get bandage stuff.
Why is Matthew in the game?
Oh, he's gonna play.
There can only be 4 people in the thing.
Nah, I saw 6.
6 and 5, you have to create the party.
Look, I bought 2 of these and we didn't even get a chance to use it. We died.
Yeah, no, you used it for mine.
I did?
Come get this gun. You can buy this gun. Hey,
Yeah.
get this shotgun.
Yeah, get 2. That's good. Because you'll heal
You
up.
can buy a shotgun for 3 bonds and some rounds for.
Alright, where are you at?
Mike, I'm getting car sick.
Sorry, okay, I'm going slow.
Just go to the gun store. Stop wandering around.
Yeah, my shotgun's in the middle.
Because I'm waiting for you.
Get this.
You can right here.
Grow up.
And I'm gonna get this one.
Buy the bullet. Make sure you buy the gun too. Because something buy the bullets.
Oh, okay.
Doing that.
Well, I can't play
What
Roblox.
is Timmy molesting me?
What else, Nisa? Am I getting this rifle?
No, don't buy any more guns. Just buy that one.
I'm gonna go slow so I don't want to get mom sick.
You could go to the general store, get some gold.
Okay. The general store?
Running into you.
Oh, hi,
Where?
yeah. Did you eat soup?
Oh, man.
Huh? Go eat soup.
That Matthew looks different.
No, you didn't even touch me.
Buy a
No,
gold.
you didn't. No, I
Okay, bye, Cole.
Yeah,
I
buy
bought
a
a camera and you were 3 feet away.
Okay, so that doesn't work first.
Alright, what else am I buying? What's this?
The Molotov.
That's right. No, that's probably all of you.
Who is hop skipping around?
Some random
Carlos.
person.
It's Carlos.
There's Matthew right there.
What's Matthew doing?
I don't know. Let's go see.
I know that's Matthew.
Look at his name.
Oh, look at his hair.
What's his name?
It's trying to be Samoan Vegeta, but it looks weird. Samoan Vegeta? Oh, Samoan Goku, my bad. I don't know who Goku is. Alright, let's go. Why is he over here?
It's everybody jumping.
Matthew needs to come this way. I told him. He can't. How's he supposed to know what we're doing if we can't?
What is your bullets hanging out?
Can someone get the laptop so we can go on Discord?
No, Mike, did you hit it?
Oh, it's upstairs in the room.
Why is everybody in different rooms?
Oh. Wait, no,
Are we going with Matthew?
Yeah, go to Matthew. Okay. It's starting in 10 seconds. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Log out and get back in.
Exit. I'm gonna...
Freaking frick.
Here, just join back.
Well, I'm gonna lose all the stuff I bought. I already spent all my money.
It's okay. It's okay. It was only like 2 bonds. That was kind of irritating. Not gonna lie. 'Cause I don't have
I thought everybody was ready
How do
to
you
go.
get
That's
back
why.
in here?
So it's just me and Matthew playing.
You have to exit.
So am I gonna lose?
But nobody, like, we can't communicate to him, so he's just like, he don't know what's going on. Where'd you put the laptop at?
You wanna go get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you play for me?
What is this game?
Oh, tag your head.
What game is this? Just wait.
There it is. Oh, look.
He didn't buy that much stuff. He bought like a gun. I forgot I still have like a $10 gift card of Robux in my car. Unused.
Ah! Back here. Get over here. No. You can't just run around in circles. That's not fair. I wasn't running around in circles. I was running around the map.
How do you guys set it up?
Well, just on the Discord.
What does the snake oil do?
Oh, fuck.
I got 2 shotgun shells, a shotgun.
Oh, I got you. No, I literally got you. Yes, I literally did.
That literally might be Jujutsu Kaisen. That literally might be Jujutsu Kaisen. Wild Wild West.
Oh, Tiger it. I literally got you.
You need to go on
No, I
Discord
did.
on there.
No, I did. I did.
Yeah.
I literally did. And now you're controlling this.
But yeah. Then I
You're it.
I don't know.
see, look through the Discord on here. What do I do with my starting gear and
I don't know. You're supposed to open it, but
the shovel?
no, you didn't even touch me.
You.
Yes, I know. It's okay. I got the same starting gear I bought. Oh, no,
It's
you're
open.
cheating. Left cheating.
Oh dang. Oh yep. Look, I got coal.
It's not fair. Oh, thank you. Stop it. No, you didn't touch me. No, you didn't. You're a little cheater. No, you don't even know how to play by the rules.
Why are you controlling yourself?
No, you're not.
You're
You
supposed to
didn't.
put it
No, you're not.
fuel the tree making.
Yeah, you got it. And I guess you just start going.
I love rice.
Why doesn't it do that one?
What is your problem?
I'm trying to get the other coal in my sack.
I just
You are like Papa. You lie.
Okay, we're full. Don't, Matthew, don't waste that.
No,
Dang,
you're-
we need to get a hold of this guy. And he took my gun. It's okay. That's why I was trying to hurry up quick so you wouldn't take it, but nah, he's gonna drive. I don't have a gun to shoot.
Connected to Wi-Fi.
I can't see.
your Discord's not loading. It's just
But it's not connected to anything.
That's the only way I can get connected to Discord.
Here, let me see the up top.
Here you go.
Matthew for taking my gun.
Why are these people talking to me?
oh, he's gonna go shoot him up. What are you doing, babe?
I need to
He has your gun, so he can go.
I know I need to get on my Discord real quick. I think it's this. I'm trying to remember. Oh, there it is.
Oh, I was gonna get on it.
Family Coconut Gaming. Is that Family Coconut Gaming or Family Gaming? Family Gaming, huh?
Can you text Matthew to join?
So I'm get on Family Gaming, not Family Coconut. Just Family Gaming.
Just tell him on Instagram because he's
What I'm doing.
All right, I'm on Discord, so I could hear him if he talks to me on here.
I thought we had to.
Yeah, grab my phone. That way you can get on Discord on there too. Should be behind Reese's shoes charging. All right, Matthew, I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna have to leave you.
Don't leave him. He's like, what the heck? Don't leave. It's nighttime. He's gonna be all by himself.
Oh, my phone is dead.
He didn't spend anything. He'll be fine.
Yeah, my phone is dead.
It's in the
I was like that if you had it on the charger.
No, there it says put it. Your phone's on the charger. Yeah, your phone's on the charger. My phone's on the charger.
What's my percentage?
Yeah, I don't.
Let me see. Yeah, there he is. He's coming back.
Hey, Matt.
11%.
Matt's on the phone.
Is he on Discord?
Get on the
Discord.
which Discord?
Just
We'll
Family
tell you how to play
Gaming.
this game.
Family Gaming.
Family Gaming Discord.
He probably knows how to play. He's just like,
Tell him said I want my gun back and my bullets.
well,
You guys need to go back to the lobby.
we're all trying
But
to
I
play
spent so much
together.
money. And look, there's a
spent
chupacabra
$2.
plate.
Who spent $2?
Matthew, use a gun. Shoot it.
Oh, Martinez.
Oh God! Oh God!
Turn around. Turn around.
Tell him to join. Exit the game and join us in lobby. I have all the same stuff that brought.
I want to try to play with you guys here.
Yeah, you know how much in left.
Oh, I actually it goes fast.
Okay, we gotta let's get this place.
Maybe you want to look back on that.
Are you ready?
Where's Matthew at? Make it go up to like.
Matthew's right there.
Exit the game. Exit the game. Tell them to exit. How much you going?
Leave.
Yeah. That is missing it like that.
Here we go. Matthew, lead the game.
Okay.
Start a new game.
New friend. WBE. What is his username? And why is he so pale? What? Why is he so pale?
You gotta see how far you can, how many miles you can get, how many distant miles you can get on the train. Yeah. I think we went 15,000 miles.
Okay, everybody needs to be in this corner where I am at.
So you gotta try to use your resources, your weapons to kill zombies and everything just to see how far you can get.
Everybody needs to meet at this corner.
Oh, I still keep my bonds. Yes. Still
Yeah,
keep
you
it.
still keep them. You just don't have your stuff. Okay, come to this corner. Don't go anywhere else except this corner. Family meeting over here. All right, yes, go. I'm gonna make this.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
don't go in it yet.
There's 6 of us.
Tell us when. Tell us where we can go in.
Okay, let's figure this out.
I'll make it.
Mari, make it. Just let Mari go in first.
Who's 6, Mike?
Okay.
Everybody ready? Yes, sir. Let's go.
You're standing on
We're all
me.
gonna fight over the gold. Actually, no, that's you guys. I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna do this thing. You have to
I'll
see
get the gold.
Do I need to eat food? I got a shotgun, 2 shotgun shells, a bandage, and the cold.
I have nothing.
Are we ready? Are we ready for it?
My dad and
I have a shovel. That's all I have.
I have to turn around. Hold on. I gotta take a picture. Bing. This is gonna be
What just happened?
the, the cover of our. Because I'm streaming. That's why.
I just thought,
I don't know who took the gold. What the heck? What the heck? So when they get on the train,
everybody needs to buy something that's gonna help them survive for the next.
Oh, damn, my sock is empty.
Purchase nothing.
How come I only got $10?
All right. We need to make sure we have fuel for the thing.
What happened to my bonds and stuff?
Yeah, it's the bonds are for like starting stuff. So if you want to buy stuff before you start the game, that's what.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! You just have a fuel.
Okay, you want me to be the driver since I'm good? Yeah.
Why didn't buy it?
I'm the driver. Use it as fuel.
Yeah, just drag it by the fireplace. Also, do not jump on the train moving, or else fall off.
We need more fuel to get down to the fuel.
Love it to this one.
We need 25% more.
Well, we don't have a turn yet.
Not yet.
All right, is everyone on the train?
They can get on the train.
Why is this moving?
Oh, get. Wait, not yet.
Wait, don't move the train. He's trying to work this. Okay. The first house we go to, we all have to go kill all the zombies, okay? Okay, are we ready? We all ready? Okay, start the train, let's go! We're raiding it.
Or y'all.
Where about where I got the gun from?
Oh, there's no zombies. Just in there.
Oh my god.
Oh, you scared me. I collect it. You hear sacking, collect the doors. Oh, there's another house over there.
Why are you wearing clothes that you look like you wear in real life?
I'm like, that's some style. I'm the on guy.
Are you guys ready?
Wait, no.
Matthew's over there still.
Lisa, tell me when to go.
Okay, our fuel's full. Stop it in there.
Okay, go. Where's Matthew?
He's over there at the other house.
There, go forward. Second that house over there.
I
It's your
think we should buddy up.
thing.
Linnea, you're my buddy. Okay.
Hold on, I'm a cameraman. I'm still the driver, but I just need to get some videos
No.
done.
It's on your head.
Stay away from me.
Ooh. I have a Molotov thingy.
Molotov.
And then
I have a burning down.
Well, hold on to it.
Okay, tell me when you got it. Just drop me and give it to you guys.
Hey, you too. No, hold it to the tree. Hold it to the tree.
Okay,
Why you so mean?
our fuel is full.
Wait.
Everybody, don't stick anything else in the fire. It's full.
Wait.
I'm
Save
lying,
it.
I shouldn't.
Save it. No, okay. Just waste it.
Alright. It's 5 p.m. We have 5 hours.
We must survive.
Think we could beat our last score, 15,000 miles?
Yeah, no. No, I don't know. Wait. As long as nobody jumps off and does something stupid. Matthew thought I jump off and do something stupid.
Boom. Yeah. 'Cause of-
What are those? I don't like those wolves. Yeah.
You gotta be careful with the wheels.
Can you tame them? Stop them. Stop it.
Stop the train.
I'll shoot it. I'll shoot it. I could throw this small. No, that.
Get in the train. What can I say about leaving the train?
Dad, don't. There's just not on the train.
Oh, I thought we were on the train.
No, we're killing them.
Can we use it for fuel? If not, that's waste of resources.
Oh, I accidentally unstored the bodies. Who is unstoring the bodies? I will.
We have so much fuel.
I know. This is so amazing. I'm struggling. Okay, go.
Alright, I have stuff now. Okay.
Oh,
I'm not
keep
gonna
it. I'd fit in the bag. What's going on with Matthew's skin? What the heck? Is that
Okay, so I'm about to go
big
down.
rock? Big rock. Okay.
We're good off.
That's your face.
This is the picture from our room.
Yeah, the one on the wall.
There's a house over there. Oh, keep going. Keep going. They're robbers. Dad, keep going. We don't wanna. Hey, we're gonna get robbed. Look at Jesse. He's so cute. He likes to stop there. Alright, then
That's his bed now.
Tell me when to stop. Do I stop here?
That was. Oh yeah. Maybe. Matthew, check it out.
The chupacabra is about to show up.
I got him while listen. Oh, there's another two over there. Oh, we're back over there. Just that. Goodbye. We went all over there. Who's going over there?
Look for two red eyes because that's chupacabra.
Who's going over there? All right.
Is that Matthew?
Tell me when to go.
I gotta go backwards.
Matthew, what are you doing?
No, you're not on my train. Hurry up.
They can't reverse.
There's a bit of the train.
Someone's life is low. Give them some bandages.
Mason, stop dragging around and find a body.
Tell me when I'm ready to go.
Oh, wait, because he decided to run away.
Oh.
My gosh, Matthew, you're gonna get.
How far is he?
But then it's probably like something from up behind me. Go.
Mob them like school fight. Mob them like school fight.
Save him.
What did I say about leaving the
Fuel, 75% on fuel.
There's a vampire right here, so.
Listen,
Hurry up. Wait, you just turned into a vampire.
go now.
Get in the front car.
If you're gonna fall off the train, why is
There's a
it
vampire
the
coming
train?
off of the train.
Why?
You stay here. You keep falling off.
I'm not wasting my bullets for something stupid like that. If you're gonna make you we need to go rocket ship. I got a Molotov. Oh my gosh. Never mind. Keep going. We're not stopping.
There's not even a bank, so it's not worth it.
Dang, this heck of zombies.
It's not worth it. But it's not worth it. I think we have enough fuel. Why is he so white?
50% fuel.
Oh, we're moving back to the fortress.
Okay.
Reload. We gotta
You're
No, we-
pushing me off the train.
reload resources so we can go further than 15,000.
Okay. This. Go more in the middle.
All right, everybody, get ready to go and collect resources. Let's go.
Can this make it out of storage so we're not all like over here?
Oh,
Whatever you guys don't have space for.
Lisa, with the robbers on the horses, if you kill them, you can get
I have a bunch of dead bodies in this.
Are they zombie dead bodies or human dead bodies?
You have to touch the dead bodies. How are you gonna take my money? That's messed up. What the is that? You could sell junk. At the, what is Mason doing? Yeah, you said bodies from the fuel. What are we at right now?
We at
Try to.
halfway. We're like halfway.
I can't take this gun over here.
No, you cannot take the
Yeah,
gun.
be back down.
Okay. Our next.
Oh wait, I have this. Let me just.
Oh, is that a horse now?
That way. Okay, other way. Why is he being?
We can ride horses.
You can ride a horse if you stab it. Can I trade this horse's dead body?
I got me.
Give me. You cannot sell the dead body.
Why?
Can I have it?
How much are the saddles?
Yeah, I can't even see my health too.
Alright, is everyone ready?
I got you.
No.
You like it?
Sometimes.
I want a saddle.
Wait.
I want to get the saddle.
If you know you're gonna come,
Hey guys.
wait.
Okay.
Okay, we're ready to go. Where is Matthew? Where is Matthew?
Where's Matthew? Oh my gosh, don't ever do that again in your life.
You see me?
Stop! Get to the first one. Stop it.
Stella.
Stop!
He's gonna fall off. Don't go too fast, because Mason's gonna fly off that thing.
You guys want to catch some animals?
Yeah.
No, it's a camp.
It's camp. You wanna go rob it?
Yeah, let's go. We must rob it.
Rob.
Sure, I'm gonna check out the game. Let's go.
We gotta rob it though.
Can someone rob our train?
But there's people here.
Oh, I'm gonna wait for you, bye.
They got home.
Run.
Oh, they shooting. We need a Molotov.
Oh my gosh, Olivia, why are you running towards it?
Molotov.
The train.
Molotov. I burned them to death.
Yes, that's good job now.
I'm gonna tie though. I'm gonna tie.
Wait for them to come over here.
Everybody back over there. Everybody go back there. Come here, get healing.
I'm useless. Yeah.
Your life is low now. Come here.
Yeah, come here. Where's the camp?
Right there. Use that. Use it. Now use that for your health.
I want something. You have that shotgun shell. I want something. Wait. The one that I see. It's all over the place, man. Oh,
Where?
I have to keep that. No, I need that. No.
What the heck?
I got nothing.
Matthew's just being.
How do we get these tents over here?
I'm going back to the train.
There's a big dark shadow coming.
I have one thing in my stack.
I got one thing.
I saved you guys and I got nothing.
Oh my gosh, run to the train now.
Oh, everybody, go.
Yeah, I'm
The dark shadow's right there. See, told you guys.
That's me.
The big rock over there.
I'm gonna be sleeping, guys.
2 beady eyes. Everybody run faster.
There's a vampire. I hear wolves. Everyone, I'm here. Wait, you guys, you come on. Beat it up. Beat it up. I want to
Beat it like school fight.
It's just an animal.
You guys want me to stop?
Hold on, I collected it. No, don't stop. Sorry, I'm gonna smack all this lights.
You guys, fuel's getting low. We need fuel.
Anyone who fuel? I don't know. Does anybody have dead bodies? Oh wait, there's a dead body over there. Never mind. You have dead bodies in this stuff. Everybody hide in the. That way I see what you're doing. Oh my gosh. I can't. I need to push out the first.
Oh, damn, we just smashed all these people shooting at us. I just smashed.
Stop the car.
Who fell?
No, we need these.
Zombies coming to the train. I'm getting attacked. Help, help, help. I'm getting attacked.
Oh. I didn't know they were up there. What is attacking you? Help. Something's attacking me. Help. We're all connected.
I think y'all should just jump on the train. Y'all just gotta jump on the train. Let's go.
I'm gonna die. I can't see what I'm hitting.
Someone about to die. Everybody in yellow. Everybody in yellow. Everybody hop on. We're good to go now?
This is dead. When you go over there,
I don't know. She can revive though.
get in the front. Get in the front.
Tell me when to go.
Just come back over there. I'm gonna die. Wait, the sun's coming up though. Stop.
Okay, never mind.
Oh, I hated that. There's a shotgun over there.
We're good? Everybody good?
That was traumatizing. I had to spend 49 euros on that. You should have stayed in the top for this.
I wonder how many miles we got already.
Matthew, do you have a gun? Here, I have stuff, I guess. Because I have 2 guns. Yeah. I want to. How much fuel do we have? That one has a sidewall on it. Oh, what? Well, you can't have it because it's dead. It can't. Oh, wait. Oh. Hey, don't.
Someone has to drive. I'm stuck over here. Someone gotta drive. I'm stuck. I can't even move.
Somebody put it in there. Okay, thank you. Is everyone on the train? Yeah. Yes. Okay, everybody needs to just heal. We're not really going to stop anywhere right now. There's backing over there. Where? Usually there's a time before we have to. I'm going to put this in. There, let me go.
Yeah.
There's zombies over there.
I don't know. I can't move. I'm stuck.
Is there a bank? No. Why are we all... There's no bank.
What is it?
Oh, that just press it. Button again.
Oh, there. Come on now. Okay. My can go now. Yeah, go ahead.
That was scary, guys. Not enough to share. I'm sorry. I just had an extra gun.
I don't know how many miles we hit so far.
Oh, I got blown off the train. Stop. Wait, stop. It's 17,000.
Yeah, we passed our.
Stop.
We passed.
Blown off the train. What the heck?
We had 17,000. Then we way past our. We beat our last record.
I need to get to the school because I have what even happened? Who threw me off?
15
I said stay in the car. It makes it just jump off. It makes it get on the train. Why is Matthew driving?
You say you wanted to try to drive.
Why do you say that you're doing?
You guys, our fuel's running low and it's gonna get dark. We need fuel.
I have something I think. Is it gonna fall off? I'm gonna get to the next.
Can you guys empty your sacks? Because we need fuel.
Not right now because
Oh, okay, good, good.
I have a horse body that.
If I stand back here and jump, am I gonna? Oh, so yeah, never mind.
Okay, so you said we're gonna get to the fort.
This fort has doors. Wait.
Oh,
Yay, we made it.
everything stop.
Yeah. All right, that's cool. I know I couldn't.
Hey, yeah.
So broke. I got no money.
Okay.
Oh, I could buy a wall. Can I buy a wall or a new torch? A wall. Bulletproof. Oh. I got a bullet.
I just have a horse in here.
Okay, I can make some fuel. Are you gonna use that for fuel?
Hey, Matt, you know those dead bodies that you have? Matt, where's Matthew? Who has dead outlaws? Come into here if you have dead outlaws. You can get money for them.
Oh yeah, you can. Look, put the outlaw over here. Oh what? Danielle, what are you checking for? You messed up.
Yeah, she's right. I got nothing. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
And it's bullet to put on it. What?
Okay.
Wait, can we look at torch, please?
Oh, you can build walls like that?
Can we use this torch, please, so I can put this?
Yep, shoot's got 'em.
Can I get a wall? This is a bulletproof wall. Should I get a wall?
I think you should block the sides with it.
The sides?
Yeah, because I need the back open.
What if somebody's shooting at us in the future?
I think we just dodge it.
I'm about to reinforce the sides of the frame or the front of the frame. Oh, here I got it. Should I put a Molotov or should I get a wall? What? Oh, we should just stay here for the night since
Yeah, that's right.
Wait till the sun come up.
yeah, I collect the dead bodies trying to come in here.
All right, that's gonna be. I will go close the door in the front of here.
You can't close it.
Oh.
Just get it. That's what the turrets are for. But just try to attract the animals to come over here. Oh yeah, we get the money.
I'm waiting for a chupacabra to come.
It's just gonna get shot up by these turrets. Why are you in my space? Everybody's in my space.
I'm gonna go further out.
It's trying to kill something.
There's a chupacabra over here.
I'm heading over.
Why is it so jiggly? No, I need a. How much fuel is our train?
Not a lot.
Okay, look at this thing for you.
I don't see mine already. Because I got a werewolf.
I also have a werewolf.
I could also sell it. Take this. Ooh, a free stuff. Put it in this missing space right here. Look what I have. What the heck is this? Sell it, sell it, sell it.
Oh dang, it's coming. You guys help me. Help, help, help,
Dad,
help,
what the
help.
heck are you doing?
Help, help, it's coming.
What are you?
The chupacabra's right behind me.
Why are you guys stupid? I'll go over there. I come over. Oh, there's. What are you guys doing?
Oh, it's my stuff.
Why are you guys
You know our turrets only have a limited amount of ammo.
They're coming after. You want that? Oh, bag it and put it in the. Okay, cool. Sell it. You could sell those big things for us. But what about the fuel?
You guys keep attracting people.
There's fuel. You can sell them.
You use that as fuel. Try to get money. Oh, it's $20. It's like a big thing of hemorrhoid.
Okay, so how are we supposed to get on the train if it's
Mexico in 60 kilometers.
We're supposed to go to San Antonio?
Let's go. I'll drive still.
How are we supposed to get on? Through the front.
No, you just jump high.
Okay, well, I was trying to reinforce everything.
All right, you guys, daytime. You guys ready to go?
Is Mason on?
Oh, yeah. Take your guys' time. Make sure it's fixed good.
Oh.
Our train looks so good.
Why is it doing this?
Matthew, where are you going? Are you going on the wall? So what are you doing?
Yep, fix the train real good until you're ready to go.
What happened to it? Oh. Okay. Here, hop on the train and then put it back. Okay, we're ready to go now, Johnny. It's close to empty. I got 60.
So we yeah, that's all. Everybody needs to empty their sack right now.
Okay. Oh, fine, I'll go buy some. Wait, is there coal in the shop? There should be.
Don't leave the train. I'm actually gonna walk ahead. So, you're drinking King's tea.
Oh, it's kidding?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Just sit in the front car.
When you guys ready to go?
Yeah, I walked ahead. So, if because I'm gonna walk back.
Let me know when you guys ready to go. All right, ready?
Wait, don't go too fast.
We're about to pass that 17,000 marker. 20. I just got an award for hitting 20 kilometers.
Yeah, we're at 20,000 miles.
There's a horse up here. I'm gonna kill it. Do we need food? Yeah, but stop it.
Hey, are you going? There's a method.
Matthew's gotta go up there too. Sorry, I have to kill some so you Okay, don't move the train anymore. I'm coming. There's a zombie right there.
Is it? I'm just following you guys.
Wait,
Why is our wall
you're going too fast.
You moved too fast, the wall moved. You guys just
Look, I
dropped
got
a wall onto here and you didn't weld it?
I got a few.
We need more.
Just keep going. Just go slow. So
We need more fuel. We only got 25% fuel.
Go a little faster.
There's a warehouse ahead. We're getting close to a warehouse. Was that a rock? Oh, it's a rock. All right, we're about to. The train's about to die out right here. So if the zombies come, we gotta climb on top of this rock over here. It's a safe spot.
Keep going.
There's one.
Oh, we're about to die. That's it, guys. The train's dead.
everybody needs to come up and find a piece of fuel.
Okay, everybody, let's look for fuel emergency or empty your sacks.
I have nothing.
Hold on, make sure.
There's a bunch of.
All right, let's go.
Somebody keep an eye on the phone.
I know. It's 7 p.m. You guys got like
Oh heck no.
2 minutes.
Because we got 2 minutes, man. I think this.
Okay,
Never mind.
I'll go back.
1 minute.
I'm gonna see this rock. I'm gonna climb up the top of this rock. If no one can get fuel, yeah, I'm on my own.
What if we just take all of these and
Did
then
the train die out completely?
Yeah, it's not going on.
like if we unweld the sheet metal from the train and then put it around the front part and then
Where can we collect this stuff for fuel? No, we cannot.
We climb the rock.
That's what I'm gonna try to do. Oh no, it's not down.
We got this. I'm gonna try my stuff over here in the back. Why can't we run in here? Oh, dang it.
Oh, and it's a red sun. Okay.
Go over
Okay,
here.
I'm on top of the rock, guys. You guys gotta get on top of the rock.
Doing the good job.
I'm at the top of the rock, you guys.
It's not building. Someone do it for me.
I can see the train from all up here. Yeah, okay, I'm safe. So look at this. And if I fall, I can fall right inside the train.
Okay, I have fuel. There's somebody coming to the train.
Yeah, we put a wall up.
Okay, tell me how much fuel I have so I can jump down. Don't go.
He's on top of the train.
Is there enough fuel to take us further?
Yeah.
There is? Okay,
Yeah, open the thing!
here we go.
Where did you put everything?
Okay, I cannot get up the train. Okay, I'm stuck.
Is everything
Go from the front, from the front.
on?
Everyone on. Go. Hit it. Go, 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 go,
There's so
go.
much going on.
Wait, I fell off!
Okay, stop, 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 stop.
There's a spinning. Oh, Grace's gonna die again.
Stop. Nisa, get on from the back of the train. I mean the front. You can get on from the front.
Fuel.
Go to the front. Go to the front.
I'm trying.
Okay, who needs healing?
Okay, go. Just
Go, go. Stomp it.
Wait, Matthew needs to get on. Okay, go.
Okay, go. Stomp it. Who needs healing? Who needs healing?
Who's driving?
Stop! Train! There's a train.
Yeah, where's Matthew? I see you, Matthew. You're almost here. I'm driving. I'm gonna drive. That's the whole point. I start driving. Okay, tell me when to go. Tell me when to go.
Oh my god. Why is this thing over here?
And we're right by the town.
No, that's zombie town. We're all gonna die if we.
Okay, Matthew.
No, we need to stop over there.
Anybody got any healing for Matthew?
I have a Molotov.
Can someone get a healing?
Stop by the town.
Okay, we're going to the town.
Just stop a little bit before it. If you can group the
Stop right here.
No, keep going a little bit.
A little bit more? Because we don't want to track all of them, right?
I like if we may have something.
So right here is good.
Yeah, keep going.
Gather them up together and then throw the Molotov. Bunch them up all together. Let them all bunch together. Right here. Bunch them all together. Because we need all their resources.
I'll just go. It's fine. We have enough stuff. No, I'm over here. At the
She's
top.
already gone. Let's go.
Pick up those dead bodies.
Put them in there. Put them in there. Well, let's go. Here, take them.
There's Mason dog over there.
Is it the same thing?
That's over here.
Collect them. We need a lot of fuel.
Stop it.
Hey, there's a bank over here with a lot of gold in it. If you guys want it. Remember last time?
What are you looking at for the bank? Wait, we must collect everything in this
Oh, these
town.
are runners. Oh, they're running.
I'm gonna die. No, because if I could spend money on Roblox, you guys can too. Where did you guys go?
My dad just grabbed all these bodies. Oh my gosh.
Where is the train at? It's over there.
It's right there. The train is fine. We just need to collect all these bodies and go get the gold in the bank.
It's like more up forward. Where more up
Oh, look,
forward?
right here. Bingo.
Like, up forward. I don't know. Is it past the town?
No?
Oh,
Yes,
babe.
It's past the town.
Come on, get to the bank and collect the gold.
Collect all the stuff that you can find. Oh, I'm gonna die. And I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm dead. Well, see what happens when you wanna listen? What is this?
Oh, someone help.
My
Sully, help me.
Oh, God.
How do I revive? Because it's not helping me. How come it's not letting me revive? Okay.
Oh, I'm oh zombie.
Does anybody know have like a bank note?
No, I'm dead. I'm just
Someone get this zombie off me. Freaking zombie. This one right here. He got stink breath.
for the bank. Collect them. I'm gonna kill all of these. There's zombies over here where I died. Ooh, I dropped my Molotov if anyone wants.
Hey, look at all these dead zombies. Who killed all these?
It's like, wow, grab
Hey,
this
man.
thing.
And this horse too? Okay.
You see what?
No. Oh my gosh.
There's a rope, newspaper. So you guys have room in your sacks?
Rob this bank.
How are we gonna?
There's a lot of resources.
Oh,
I need to just go to the train. I gotta go fuel them. Can you guys pay attention to your life? Okay, if it's low, then go back to the train.
I'm supposed to in the kitchen and I'm going to jump.
How's the bank note?
You guys, I'm gonna tell you guys what time it is. 6 p.m. You guys gotta get back 6 p.m. already.
Are you kidding me? Oh, did I stick you in my sack? Yeah, I think you did. Okay, hold on. Oh, I see like.
Matthew, do you have the bank note?
You guys, it's 6 p.m.
There's a zombie. Supposed to drop this. Why do I have all this stuff? Where's Linnea? Oh, I disappeared.
Okay, you guys can stick most of the stuff back in the sack because we're about to be full tank.
Oh, there's something happened to my body.
All right, we're full tank. We're ready to go.
I can't even wait.
I'm gonna put these zombies in my sack.
What happened to her?
Oh, where'd you go now?
I died.
Where though? So we can
Like
find
you
you.
were at the house with finding stuff, and then I asked for help, and then you just went back in the limestone.
So it's my fault.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh man, Chupacabra's gonna come, and it's a red moon. Let me look at our 23,000 miles. That's as far as we got. Good job, because I already know this is the end of the road.
Oh, guys.
Everybody's not on the
Guys, I
train.
need to get on the train.
I'm getting on the train. I tell everybody 6 p.m.
If you don't make it, you're getting left now.
No, I'm almost there. Oh my gosh, guys.
Can you guys weld?
Don't shoot me.
Who else we're waiting for? That's it?
I have so much stuff.
You better hurry up and get on. Matthew's on the train.
Tell me when to go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm here. Go.
Punch it.
Oh, that was very playing the banjo.
Look at that. We got a full tank. Take us to the next sunlight.
Leia got sacrificed and died.
It's okay, Nev. Come hang out. You're gonna hop in the next game.
Oh my gosh.
I got left for dead.
I was like, Dad.
Is that the name of it again?
I don't know.
I was left for dead. Like, Dad, help me, someone.
Oh,
there's zombies.
game.
Damn, we just hitting 65 miles per hour fast.
Okay, fix it.
Slow down? Okay, I'll slow it down. I'll go 40. 40 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Hey, look at all those horses. You guys want to kill them? Behind you guys, vampire. Behind you, Mike. Sorry.
Mason fell off.
He did?
He fell off. I died.
What? How did everybody die at one time? Am I slowing down for Mason?
Stop the train for Mason.
She's gonna grab my party.
Here, we'll come get you, Mason.
Dang, it's the sun's coming up.
Where am I? I'm here. Oh my god, I'm here. You lied.
We have 3 Roblox.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to give you some. I got way too much.
Where's my stack of stuff? You better not steal my stuff, Matthew.
You see our fuel? Yeah, our fuel is good.
Where's my stuff?
Our fuel is good for days.
Matthew, just
Matthew, give me my stuff back.
hey, where's your book, by the way?
Matthew, my stuff. You can't do that.
How do I get this book?
Oh, I think that's my. Oh, I'm gonna grab my stuff, guys. Oops.
Oh, what's all this?
I just Can you get that back to Mary? I think that was hers.
What?
My navy revolver? No.
Let's just take some of this off there.
Hey, did you just take some of yours?
No, I did it. I got $0. Here, I'll throw some of this on there though.
Hey, he just took my thing. He just took my thing. Where is all my stuff? It flew everywhere when you died. It can't be stolen.
How come my money's not coming from my zombies that I put on there?
My phone is gone.
Does it not take zombies? Oh, dang. Oh, I need the axe. Was that your axe?
So much stuff. I'm devastated.
Oh, look at this big rock right here.
Somebody
Is that you?
Ooh. What did I take?
All right, you guys, it's 10 a.m. We're good. Still good. Does anybody have an extra shovel on them or weapon that I can use? Because I got no weapon. I don't even know how I'm gonna fight. Hey, yes. How do, how do I use a? How do I handle the sword?
You gotta just do it.
Oh, I see it.
You need a little bit of time to see how
Oh, yes.
okay, we're fuel.
We're good on fuel because I loaded it up from the last stop.
I'm sorry, Linnea. It's okay. You should have grabbed my Molotov. Oh, you did? Okay, we have
Dang. We're at 27,000 miles.
my gun!
That's crazy.
Where? My gun! The world is spinning once again. Alright. You haven't been using the gun that I gave you?
If we go, we can't even go back to get your body on. Tell me when you guys ready to go.
We're waiting.
Oh, it's already 1 p.m.
Hey, Matt.
Oh, it's 3 p.m. 3 p.m.
So basically, every minute, an hour goes by.
Okay, we're good. I'm hitting the gas.
Horses. Oh, I'm so happy I found my gun. Oh, that's a wolf. Shoot it. Stop it.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Is that wasting resources though?
Mm,
Like your bullets?
keep going.
I got 3 zombies in my
Oh,
sack.
there's a big thingy up there.
Dang, we broke our record big time. 29,000.
Where did all these bodies come from? Resources. Alright, I think that's good.
All right, let's go. We're at 29,000. Dang. I just need fuel for the just fuel.
Oh, there's coal in here. Coal is good fuel.
Yeah, if you guys can bring it, load it up.
So, I'm gonna put ammo. Let's put my gun. Do you need ammo? I'll buy you some ammo. Come here. Come here. Come to the gunsmith. I can't go to work tomorrow. Like go say. I'm not gonna finish this video. Just
Here's
I
the
literally was stuck in the position for like 5 hours, for like 4 hours, and it just felt exactly like him, and it made me really depressed. There you go.
what about your money?
I know. Pick up the prescription sad. They
Let me
said
check
money
your
can buy happiness.
Okay, man, I feel it's doing good right now.
Actually, money can buy happiness because oh, wait, it's nighttime. We can collect stuff now.
Like go out there.
We can wait for the monsters to come and then sell their dead bodies.
Okay.
You stand right there. You're gonna check enough.
Oh, there's a wolf right there.
Well, that's not a monster. I don't think.
Waiting for a chupacabra to come with his beady eyes that killed us.
Yeah, that was kind of fun.
Killed me last time. Look at this sign say right
What is
here.
Mason doing? Mason, read him. Don't waste your ammo. Don't waste your...
Oh, look, this body right here. Oh, dang.
He's not shooting them. It's a turret.
Did they just come out of nowhere?
Okay, just steal the body then. Whatever, Matthew.
Can we sell them?
No, not the zombies, but the big things like the chupacabra. Yeah, it gives you cleaning bit.
Oh, look, there's a bunch of them right overhead over there. There's one running right there.
First of all, that's me.
Oh, sorry.
Right there.
Dang, they're all over the place. Dang, look at more. Get in my sack.
We have 7.
Can I put it here or no?
No, that's only for like the zombie people. Hmm? What do you mean that we get any harder? Dude? We almost all just died. The man's literally dead. When they have risked their life. Okay, I got 9 dead bodies. What's the best?
Let's get enough fuel. Head back on the train.
Is that a turret? Oh. There's a lot of zombies spawning in there. That's just storm. Storm like over here.
Yeah, I feel okay. The sun's about to come up. 5 a.m. and we're full. Do we just keep them on the train like that?
No, they're gonna fly off though. You could weld them to the train.
You should decorate the train with them.
There are so many dead zombie bodies. Just weld them to the train.
Yeah, welcome to the
That
train.
way we can, they won't fly off when we move.
Okay, you okay?
It's tired. Or do you want to just be the driver?
Why are we look at all of our fuel.
Wait.
No, they just stay there until we use them or they fall off. Let's put one at the front.
Oh.
Dangling.
There's a wolf at the front. Look at that one I put at the front.
Look at the one I have right here.
Wait. This is smart, putting them on the outside so that everybody is warm. Like, don't come near them.
Yeah, stop dangling them up there.
So, yeah, all of our fuel is look, now we don't have to worry about our
Oh,
fuel. Who's taking that? Stop it.
You know what
that one looks like it's crawling for its life right
It's just
here.
missing. It's
when the time comes to use those zombies, it's gonna fall into the train.
no, it's not.
No.
I like him on the You have to like unweld it.
Where's the one that you put? Oh, it's right here. It's like one of those,
Okay, hang it right there.
Hey, no, I already put one up
There we go. Are we ready to go?
Oh, that one just dropped.
Use it as a temporary driver.
Because Dad's too tired.
That's my eyes are filled dry.
You say that every time you about to sleep. Is everyone ready? Okay. Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Oh,
Is it Justin, right?
right, every time I look at your boyfriend, he just looks so angry.
30.
Yeah, got another badge. Got a 30
We need to go to San Antonio. We have 30 more kilometers to travel. Dang, we have to go through everything. We just went through like, one more time.
Village.
He's going forward.
I don't want to stop over here. I'm mad last time.
Man, we died last time.
This is a different one. Look at the church at this town.
It's a little bit too much. And I'm
Yes,
running,
go,
so
go.
let's keep going.
Yeah.
Mari, what is it tonight?
I mean, like,
2 p.m. Do you want to lift this house right here?
Yeah, loot that house.
here, you can look this. I
Just
saw.
what if it has ammo or gold?
Let's mess up your room.
It's 3 p.m.
Got time. Right when it hits 6 p.m., then you guys need to get back on the train.
There's a turret in here.
Yeah, get drivers to keep the fuel all the time. Yeah.
All right.
Load up the fuel tank.
The zombie. This.
You want a band-aid?
Oh my gosh, dude. I mean,
It fell.
I don't need any band-aids.
It's good enough.
What time? Check the fuel and the time. So we got it's 2 more hours before everybody got to get on the train.
Well,
Yeah, fuel's good.
1 more hour. Hurry up.
Fuel's good, and you got to let everybody know what time is it so they know.
It's almost 6. You better hurry up with.
5 o'clock.
Wheel him to the train up here. Up here.
You have a band-aid? No. Wheel them to the train. Who has a band-aid?
Wheel him to the train like the
Who
zombies.
has a band-aid?
Yeah, pay attention to the time. That's why you.
It's 6. You gotta go.
Wait, don't go yet.
Wheel him to the train.
Matthew, stop!
Wheel him to the
Just go there. Let
train.
me do that while you go. Go.
He's gonna fall.
Wait, don't go! Don't go! I just said don't go!
Just wait.
Stop it!
Just trying to get him alive.
Stop it!
Oh,
Where did my phone go? Just go.
It's about to turn night.
You leave him alone. Okay, hold it.
Wait,
No, I'm not.
wheel him to the train.
someone has a bullet. Check your stack. Someone has a bullet.
What the world?
Yeah, I got it.
What is going on?
Yeah, take the time.
It's time to go. Are you ready?
Hold on, Mason's trying to get the gun together.
What are you doing to Mason?
Stop doing that to him. What
Or
is he doing?
he's like,
No, wait!
hurry up! You guys should. You guys should.
love him because you kept freaking molesting him. He just needs a band-aid. Get you a band-aid.
Hurry up! Wield him. Okay.
What time is it now?
I can't tell. It's like 9. It's
You gotta go here.
It's 9.
It's gotta be nighttime too. What if he just threw his body in the fire? Sacrifice.
No.
No. We literally have people hanging off of our train. Not you.
Matthew.
He's trying to do bad things to you. What was that? You could slow down a little. Huh?
Yeah, just stop. You have to stay at 40. Let's
Well,
go
we
take
have
your
a gun. Well, yeah, we
30.
all
30.
have guns.
30. You guys want to stop here?
Where's that at?
Right here. Stop
There's another one.
Maybe
Stop
one.
here.
Keep going.
Go faster. Yeah. You can turn around and
Not too
do it,
fast.
you know.
Not
You can still turn.
Look at that thing crawling.
Perhaps
Yeah,
we should
turn around
go.
and look back.
I don't
It's
want
only
them.
1 a.m.
But you can still go and look at the thing. Come on, I have it streaming. I'm gonna watch this whole thing, the recorded. The whole point is to capture the action and just keep hitting the trigger. See the speed right there, the number?
Mm-hmm.
You can keep it on the speed, keep it under the speed.
Yeah, keep it like at 30.
I just got stopped.
What's that? So we just ran over
Oh, outlaws.
outlaws.
Oh, what is that thing right there?
It's right here. It's fine because like
We made it to the next stop.
it's just. Should we go back over here into the storage or whatever?
Go.
Go.
Oh, never mind. It's stuck in the
Chupacabra.
floor. It's stuck in
Go
the
to
floor.
Chupacabra. Go.
Go into the stores. We can go to the castle tomorrow.
Right there.
I'm
Stop
buying
right
you
there.
a band-aid.
Okay, jump off and whoever gets that Chupacabra can get catch for it.
I'm buying you a band-aid. Guess who got it first? Matthew, stop it.
Who got the Chupacabra?
Marissa did. Matthew. I don't have the money for
Okay,
a
we need to
band-aid.
come back over here.
Matthew, can you buy a band-aid? Matthew.
Yeah.
Go follow.
I will buy you a I will
What
buy
did
a
the scene
band-aid
say?
for
Mexico.
Mason.
We're at Mexico right now.
No, Mexico's the next 40 miles.
Oh,
Go to the
Nick.
castle. I will buy a band-aid for Mason.
I have a. Oh, maybe I should go grab a band-aid
You
first.
need to team up with somebody so they
I'm
can
going
help
with
you.
Mary.
Stop violating his dead body.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, it's messed up, man. I don't need to castle.
Hey, save some.
Hey, what if there's nothing but gold in there?
Save some for us.
Yeah. What if
Poor
there's
Mason. He's just hanging all over here.
What is that? Oh,
It's an outlaw? Get him. It's an outlaw. He's on a horse too.
You think I saved you?
Yeah, you just killed him. Revive.
Oh, you just killed me.
Did I save
what
you?
world? It's not letting me. It's not letting me.
Help.
Dad, what do I do? It's not letting me.
And this is another 45 Robux.
Oh man.
Who cares?
I don't.
Okay, come get our bodies because we couldn't revive.
I'll spend my Robux if I want to. You can play with the horse.
Yeah, I'm over here. If you see a dead horse moving, that's
Oh my
me.
gosh, it's not.
Right here. Here's my call for help.
It's over there.
See the horse floating? That's me. Come get my body. See the horse moving?
I revived the white one.
You need to revive the two more.
I'm right over here.
Bring their
Yeah.
bodies back then. Matthew, help.
Yeah, Mario, look at what I'm doing. You see my horse?
I see the horse.
Here now. Here, hold on to the
What
horse.
happens when it turns nighttime again?
To the horse.
Where did you guys go? We're at the castle. Where's the castle? If you see a floating horse, then we all died because
I revived and then I died. It shot me and it wouldn't give me
where
my
are
gun.
you? So did it die or no? The outlaw person. The outlaw.
Good enough.
Where are you going? To go get your gun and skip your body. So we can weld it to the train.
My dead body.